One of the things that is super nice is that as you start digging down in the dirt, it gets really, really dry. So you're only in the muddy, mucky stuff for just a little bit, but once we start clearing more of an area out, it'll be dry and we'll be able to work for that. One thing I definitely know about the construction world is wherever you put something like this pipe, it's in the way at some point and sometime. So you're constantly moving everything. And that's, to be honest, something that drives my wife crazy, is the moving of everything and not having a final place for it to sit till it's ready to be used. But that's just not how it works in the construction world. You're just constantly playing the shift sand game. What is crazy to me is looking at the depth here. We're only a few feet down in the ground here, but then you come over to here and we're about 7 or 8 feet into the ground. That is insane, the amount of slope that our property has. I would have never guessed it. You step on it and you feel like, oh, it's kind of level. But we knew that a little bit when we did the road coming down into this last little stretch. I always felt like that was pretty level. No, we actually had to bring that up to meet grade just a little bit. It's insane how what we feel and what we think aren't accurate until you start putting measurement tools on it like this leveler, and you can totally see how not off, but how sloped this lot is. Everything is dug on the outside of the perimeter of the house and the main part of the hole. So now he's got this like bucket with no teeth on it to be in here, and now he's just kind of putting a little bit of a final grade on everything. Top notch, top notch. Well, you guys, our entire hole has been dug and we are ready to go. Our next steps now are footings and foundation, and those will be coming in the next few weeks. We have another project to get our electricity all the way to us, so we have our full power, but technically our temporary power as well. We are going to be setting up in the next video, so stay tuned for that. You guys, I do not profess to be an expert in this subject, but if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments down below. I like to interact with you guys and hear what you have to say, even if it's just a congratulations or it's looking good or we're excited for you. I like hearing that as well. But if you have questions, feel free to ask them or send me an email. And you guys, my today's task hats are on sale again. $35 gets you the hat and mailing as well to your doorstep. So if you're interested in one, email mytodaystask@gmail.com and we'll give you all the purchasing information. So until our next video, we'll see you guys later. Well, you guys, our hole and so if you guys, well, you guys, I do not